Hello everyone, welcome to week 6 for math. We are going to be continuing our work with dividing decimals. So in the main week 6 page, you can find all of the assignments that we want you to do, and please do them in this order. It's really important that you go from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, because we're having a quiz on Thursday, and so we need you to do these assignments so you can prepare for that quiz. So again, please make sure you go in order. On Monday, we are going to have you do the MobyMax dividing decimals assignment. So if you click on this link, it'll take you to MobyMax, and you can find that in your assignments tab. On Tuesday, we are going to have you do the standard algorithm fill in the blank assignment. On this assignment, there's a couple different things we want you to do. First thing is we want you to find the whole number equivalent fraction, and you're going to type in those digits right there. And then we want you to use those digits to complete the long division standard algorithm model here. So you got to fill in the blanks with whatever digits need to go there. If you need to see an example, there's an example for how to do number 1 in this video right here. I highly encourage you to click on that just so then you know how to do the other problems. And then one other thing to keep in mind, number 6 and number 7 are a little different because the divisor is a whole number. There's a little hint here to show you what to do when the divisor is a whole number, and then if you need an extra refresher, in the Math Antics video from last week, he talks about what you can do when your divisor is a whole number. So use that if you need to. Then on Wednesday, we're going to have you do the Snack Shack dividing decimals worksheet. This probably looks a little similar because you actually use the same worksheet to multiply decimals a couple weeks ago, but now we're going to have you divide decimals instead. There's a couple things we want to see from you. So first things first, we want you to actually write out the number sentence that you would use in order to solve the problem, and then we want you to put what your actual answer is here. And please do not forget to label your numbers. So whatever your answer is, say your answer is 6. Put 6 hot dogs, 6 hamburgers. Don't just say 6. So whatever it is, make sure you label your numbers. And then on Thursday, we actually have a decimal division quiz for you in a form. And you can use your notes from last week or any other previous assignments to help you answer these questions. I encourage you to take your time on it because it is a way for us to see how much you know with dividing decimals. And then last but not least, this week is going to be a little different because instead of giving you a new math assignment on Friday, what we're actually going to have you do is go back and review all of your work from the previous 4 assignments. So we're going to give you feedback on it. And if there's anything that you need to go back and edit or fix, that is what we need you to do on Friday. Okay? And then if you have any questions about that, you can obviously contact your teachers and we can help you out with that. But it is really important that you go back and you look at your work to make sure it is correct. That's all I have for you. I hope you have a wonderful week 6. And again, let us know if you have any questions.